Before this video begins, I just want to show you one example that we just saw during the video for today that we went. We went to a Ryko Brothers location, but I want to show you like an example that we went through. So this is something like a regular size machine for an Exxon. This is actually an abandoned Ryko Softgloss XS2 that actually I used to film, by the way, back on my channel. As you can see, it's completely abandoned. Got your brushes over here. Yeah, this has been run down, as you can tell. There's nothing in the error box, so yeah, it's completely abandoned. So what they exactly did is they had a Max, completely ripped out the whole thing, including the dryers, which are thrust pros. I mean slimline, and then they cleared everything out, and then they installed the conveyor belt in this section over here, and they put like the pay station similar to that, but they have like a gate over here, and they put like set of brushes and the dryers to like the brand new Sonys. Oh, look at that, that's actually cool. They have the original signage over here. That's actually pretty cool. But yeah, we actually went through this car wash like about like a couple of years ago. I mean, it's actually on my channel. If you just scroll through to my car wash channel, it's actually there. There are what your dryers look like over here, which is the slimline, and that's what the back of the machine looks like. Let's go ahead and kind of walk through it. Yeah, as you can tell, this like got your virtual treadle. We got like your CMD signage over here. Yeah, as you can tell, the whole thing is like stripped out. As you can tell, look at that. Your undercarriage, your lava. Yeah, your triple foam, as you can tell, right over here. All right, now let's get to the video. Hey everyone, today we're gonna do we're at Ryko Brothers Express Car Wash in Houston. And we got ourselves a brand new Sonny tunnel. This is at an Exxon gas station as well. This used to have a Ryko Softgloss Maxx, and they converted this thing into a mini tunnel. We will be doing an inside view with using this camera, as you can tell. So here we go. We'll start doing we'll have two videos, outside and inside. Oh, this is actually a PECO tunnel. Look at that. And okay, it looks like it's a Sonny / PECO tunnel and AVW, since we got like the thing. As you can tell, the conveyor's a little different. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, looks like we got STI. So this might thought it was an AVW since they kind of make those, but it's an STI. All right, here we go. We're starting off with pre-soaking the brushes. There's the machine running right now. There is a wheel brush running. Nice application of the pre-soak foam. Sonny / PECO / STI system. Dryer sounds a lot different. Sounds like a Bellinger dryer. Ooh, I hear some squeaking on this one. What does the back brush look like? I never seen like a mini tonneau. Like after they replaced like some sort of like a regular automatic system, like a Max, they replaced it for like a mini tonneau. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, so here's how the car did. The car looks very shiny. As you can tell, the car wash did a really good job. And the hood, wow, it is mirror shine as well. That's really cool. I also want to shout out to the car wash owner of this place, the Bright Brothers. He was very nice with me and maintaining a really good car wash. Because as you can tell, this is a pretty cool mini tunnel. Now I would like to show you what he gave me at the end. Also, I would like to shout out to the Bright Brothers Express Car Wash, the manager at this location. They actually gave me this goodie bag over here. And inside of it, we got some sort of like a microfiber towel, as you can tell. It says Bright Brothers Express Car Wash. It's actually pretty cool. We got a sticker, a air freshener, and a dash wipe to like clean your dashboard. When you vacuum the car, you can also use this wipe to clean the dashboard. That is actually pretty cool. So I would like to say a big shout out and thank you to the manager. He was very nice of me, you know. Of course, I got the free car wash by the app. But, you know, he was very nice of it, like, let me do an outside view as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.